Hi, I'm Annie from ketofocus.com and I like to make low carb recipes. Today I've teamed up with ChocZero and I'm going to show you how to make something to put on top of that white chocolate mocha I showed you how to make a few months back. We're going to be making chocolate covered espresso beans. Let's get started. When I visit a specialty coffee house, I love it when they put the chocolate covered espresso bean on my lid. It's the perfect quick treat. Unfortunately, they're not low carb, so today I'm going to show you how to make a keto version of a chocolate covered espresso bean. For this recipe, I'm going to be using ChocZero's baking chips. They have a few different varieties. Their most common are dark, milk, and white chocolate. I'm going to use the white chocolate and the dark chocolate. You're also going to need some whole espresso beans. This is 1/3 cup of whole espresso beans. To start, you want to melt your chocolate in a small glass bowl. I like to microwave mine at 30-second intervals, stirring in between until it's melted. Do this for each of your types of chocolate. Once your chocolate is melted, we're going to add our espresso beans. Mix them until they're fully coated, then using a fork, lift each one out and place on a parchment lined baking tray to cool. We're going to pop them in the refrigerator to let them harden a little bit quicker. For more chocolatey flavor, just do a second coat of chocolate. Store these in an airtight container or go make yourself a keto white mocha to have them now. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you check out ChocZero.com for more additional keto recipes and to purchase all of our delicious low carb chocolate.